beat that.
Mm-hmm.
Because yes, the improvement. Otherwise, what happens is that yes, if there are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I mean, there are so many multinationals or so many big corporations. Then instead of developing such a solution individually, then they will have their own variation or versions of that solutions. But finally, one final day, maybe in future, maybe after 5 years or 6 years, this e-invoicing is going to take place centrally. So then they will have to again change that into central thing. So instead of that, if there is one expert like your client who is able to ascertain the requirement or read what is coming into the future and can give them a perfect solution in which incorporates everything right from the law itself to the regulation, all kinds of rules and reports to be generated and rates, all the tariff, all the instructions, all the notification, and update it day to day, then nothing better than that. Because nobody will have to bother for that. They can just incorporate. And of course, it must have integration capabilities with the existing system of those big companies. Because no company is going to change their backward system like stock, inventory and all those systems just for your software. But if this system you develop can be integrated into that system, like if somebody is working on Linux, somebody working on Windows, somebody working on Ubuntu, so it can have or it should have the capability of integrating with their system, whatever it is. Then no doubt about success of such a project.
Right.
Like most of the people are, SMEs and medium scale, they are working on Windows. So Windows is the most popular thing, but there are certain companies, maybe software companies, which are in number, thousands of number. They are working on Ubuntu or Linux and all that. So the option should be there also to integrate into that. So a platform, you must develop a platform which can be integrated with the existing system of the big companies, and of course a second portion should be to make a whole system which itself contain the inventory, procurement, vendor and all that. That would be used for SMEs and medium scale and small scale enterprises, and this integration system would be used for bigger companies who have developed their own system. Or like suppose somebody is using ERP or somebody is using SAP system, then your system should have capability to integrate into their SAP or ERP system. That is a must, because nobody is going to change their home basic system for your system, for your project. They had rather do it their own way. But finally, e-invoicing is coming and will come. So for that, if you can foresee all the requirements, then you have chances of success, pretty sure.
Mm-hmm. Do you have any idea of the current size of the market for e-invoicing?
The market is huge. I can't predict exactly. I can't tell you the numbers, but the market is very huge, because I have seen people are groping. Even those who are using Tele, they say yes, they are happy, but still they are not happy. I know they are facing problems. So if they are going to get a better and easier software system, because for